Now I'll show you how to bind a drop down in .NET. First of all, we open Microsoft Visual Studio, then create a new project. In File menu, New Project, then Visual C#, Windows Form Application select, and then change your name as your wish, and then click OK to create a Windows form. I have already created a form. Then we need to change this name as for our wish. FRM drop down, and we also change this text for upper. Now click enter. Here drop down is shown. Now we put labels and insert drop downs. Now we go in all Windows forms. In that we find for label, we drop this and drag and drop here. Now we change the name of that label to LBL product type, and text also. So label is there. Now we put another label for a second property. Change this name also. And text also for product name. We put a combo box, means drop down. In C#, here a drop down is a combo box. Now we drag and drop here and change this name. CMB product type. CMB is a prefix to show a combo box. Now we put another combo box for product name. Change this name. Product. Now double click on first combo box, then event is created. This is a selected index changed event for combo box. Now we put one variable, string variable, to fetch the which one is selected in combo box. We select a product type, take a product type variable in string and fetch from that design. CMB product type dot selected value dot to string. we have to convert in string. Now let me get a data set ds object created. Now first here we can connect our database by connection string. Connection string is provided by MDF file. Double click on MDF file and here right click and properties. Here we have connection string. We select this and copy, and we have one string variable connection string equal to in double quote. We have to paste this string and remove double quotes unnecessary. Now it's clear. Now we create a query. We have to take a string variable query and write a query to select the data. Select star from table name. Here I created the table product type and product name. Here we give product type and product name. Here I am getting data from product type. Product type is selected, then product name is changed by that. So here we let product name where product type ID is here a primary key type ID. Compare this one with our ComboBox selected value. From now we create a connection. For connection we have to take namespaces using system.data and also using system.data.sql client to create a connection. Now first step to create a connection is a SQL connection. Create one object con to new SQL connection. We have to pass connection string here to create a connection. On string. Now we open the connection on .open method. Now we create one adapter to fill that data. To get adapter, use a SQL data adapter class, adapter object equal to new SQL adapter. Here we have to pass query and connection. Now we have to reset a data set. First of all, ds.reset, then fill method is called from adapter, adp.fill. In that we pass a dataset object. Then connection close. Then we put a bind product name ComboBox. What is a display member of ComboBox of product name, and what is a value member of product name ComboBox. First of all, we assign a data source by using cmb product name dot data source equal to ds.table. In dataset, table is created. First, initially it is a 0 table, so we pass ds.table 0. Then set the display member of ComboBox. Here is a product name table. Then display member is a product name. Product name. And dot value member equal to product name ID. Now this is bind in CS file. Now here we also bind a designing time by using use data bound method. Here we select data source. Data source is add data source. We have also existing dataset. Then click next, dataset, next. Here we created drop down DB. Then next we select tables. These two tables we needed. And finish. Now in that other data source, data project data source, in that drop down DB dataset 1, in that we bind this product type here. Display member, product name, type name is there, and value member, type ID is there. Here shows a product type name, but pass is a ID. And here we bind a product name ComboBox. Other data source, product data, project data source, that pro name. Display member is a product name, and value member is product name ID. Now we save this file and run it. Here we have passed type mobile, laptop, and pen drive. We select mobile, then here mobile is displayed. Mobile names Redmi 4. Selected a laptop, here displayed HP, Dell, Lenovo is a laptop names. Now we select pen drive. Pen drive displayed, SanDisk, HP, etc. Now we close this form. Continue. These are our database tables. This is a product type table for so types of products, and this is a name, product names. In the product type table, two fields, product ID and product type ID and product type name. And product name table, product name ID, product name and type ID. Type ID in product type table is a primary key, but in product name table, product type ID is a foreign key for reference. Now we see what data field in product type table. So now we can enter other data from here. These are free database. In product name table, this much of data field. You can add also many. These are product type ID which are displayed here. One for mobile, so we bind 111 here for mobile, and 2 for laptop, and 3 for pen drive. So this 9 data is there in here, 3 types.